Hey, what is going on, guys? So you have a iPhone XS or a XS Max. I'm going to show you how to use the flashlight, okay? So right from your lock screen, if you want to turn it on, you basically have to hard press, okay? It's a 3D touch on the screen here. Just hard press and you'll feel it vibrate and you can see the light turn off and on. Also, what you can do too is you can adjust the brightness as well. So let me go ahead and log into the phone first. And then once you're logged in, or actually you don't even need to be logged in, you can just go ahead and log out. But top right hand side, just slide down to your control center here and you have a flashlight on here as well. Now you can turn it on and you can turn it off as well. Now if we long press it, press and hold, press kind of hard, okay? Just give it a nice like push. You can feel it vibrate. And now you can see right now it's off, okay? And now I can start increasing the brightness, okay? So all the way down is like off, and let me show you from here. It's going higher, higher, and then low, 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 and it's going to go off. Okay, so you can control it that way as well. If you basically wanted to go ahead and like leave it like 3/4 of the way, you just leave it on just like that, and now I'll go ahead and turn it off. I can just go ahead and turn it off here, and now every time, even if you're on a lock screen, it's still going to be set on the third automatically. And of course, if you wanted to adjust it again, just swipe down and then long press or 3D press, and then go ahead and change it to your desired brightness here. I usually just leave mine on like halfway is fine. So anyways, hope to help you guys out. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Oops, left it on. Thanks, bye.